Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're eager to dive into the world of investing but feel overwhelmed, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to buy stocks using JP Morgan's self-directed investing platform. It's a user-friendly tool that puts you in control of your portfolio, perfect for beginners or seasoned investors looking to expand. First things first, you'll need an account. Head over to the JP Morgan website or app and sign up if you haven't already. It's straightforward. Just provide your personal details, link your bank account, and verify your identity. This usually takes a few minutes, but it's crucial for security. Once you're logged in, the next step is funding your account. You can transfer money from your linked bank account or even set up direct deposits. Keep an eye on any minimum deposit requirements, which are typically low to get you started. Now, let's get to the exciting part: buying stocks. Use the search bar to look up the stock you're interested in, maybe Apple or Tesla. JP Morgan provides handy tools like real-time quotes, charts, and analyst ratings to help you make informed decisions. When you're ready, select the stock and choose your order type. Options include market orders, which execute immediately at the current price, or limit orders, where you set a specific price. Double-check your details, like the number of shares and total cost, then hit confirm. Remember, investing involves risks, so always research thoroughly and consider your financial goals. After placing your order, track your investments through the platform's dashboard. It offers real-time updates, performance metrics, and alerts for market changes. One quick tip: don't forget about fees. JP Morgan's platform is commission-free for stocks, but there might be other costs, so review them upfront. And always diversify your portfolio to spread out risks. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. Let's build wealth together. See you next time.